Writing a great book won't matter if you publish into a crowded niche. You'll be invisible. That's why I always use Publisher Rocket before I write, to find untapped KDP niches with real search demand and low competition. Let me show you how. Inside Publisher Rocket, I'm using the keyword search tool. I'll start with something broad like how to write. And now watch this, Rocket shows me dozens of related keyword niches. Then I sort by competition score and search volume. And boom, here's a niche with over 1,000 searches a month and low competition. That's a green light. I wouldn't have found this on my own, and I definitely wouldn't risk publishing without knowing what readers are actually searching for. If you want to publish smarter, not harder, grab Publisher Rocket using the link. It's the tool I trust to find hidden KDP gold before I ever type chapter 1.